Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video I would like to talk about how to set different background colors in different regions in a matplotlib plot. Something like this. In this question, for this application, I would like to have 5 different regions, so with 5 different colors, and then these bands, these regions are vertical, and then you may have an application that you have like 2, 3, or any number of horizontal regions, something like this. So instead of vertical bands, you will get horizontal bands. So I have written the code for this plot over here, and then I will go through this code, and then this is a very simple code. So we have x and y values over here, plt.scatter x, y, and then we set x limit from 0 to 10, and then here I would like to have 5 different regions, so I define or I choose 5 different colors, and then for I in range of 5, so it is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in order to get vertical bands or vertical regions, I'm going to use plt.axvspan. If you would like to have horizontal bands or horizontal regions, you use plt.ax h span, which denotes horizontal bands, horizontal regions. And then when I is 0, I'm going to get from 0 to 2, face color is going to be the first element, which is blue. So the first color, the face color or background color from 0 to 2 is going to be this color, and then alpha is 0.2, which denotes the intensity. If I put it 1, I will get a strong blue. If I put it like 0.1, 0.2, or lower values, I will get lighter blue. And so when I is 1, I'm going to get 2 to 4. So as you can see over here, so from 2 to 4 it is yellow, so, or orange. And then so from 2 to 4, so the face color is going to be the second element in this list, which is orange, and then alpha intensity 0.2. And you know, in some cases you would like to have checkered plot, so you can have 2 lines, one with plt.ax vspan and another one with plt.ax hspan. So, or you could have another for loop if you have different regions, you know, with different sizing. So again, you can use plt.ax hspan to get horizontal regions. So I hope you have found this video helpful. If you have any question, please leave a comment and ask your question in the comment section below. Have a lovely day, and bye.